Just jump and start expanding this by saying what? X minus 4 times what? X minus 4 times what? X minus 4. Start expanding by doing like this, and multiplying to have the answer. I'm going to show you a secret method that no one will tell you. Just subscribe to the channel. Let's move on. Okay, you're having this x cubed minus this. Okay, what are you looking here? This is equals to what? Like a cubed minus b cubed. Are you seeing it? Okay, we know that a cubed minus b cubed is equals to what? A cubed minus b cubed is equals to what? A minus b into what? A square plus b square plus ab. Okay, let's take this similar. We are going to say what is our a? Our a is x, and what is our b? That is minus what? X minus 4. Put it in the square bracket into what? Okay. If you take a look at this question, what you are going to notice that you are going to have x cubed, and surely, but after explaining this, you are going to have what? X cubed by this other part. Okay, one x cubed here, and this negative surely will make sure that this x cubed will go. Hence, our question will be in the form of x cubed. And you are just going to have two values of x. The third value will be ignored or unknown. Hence, let's move on. You are going to have this. Therefore, we have what? A square x square plus what is b square, that is x minus 4 other square. Okay, x minus 4 square plus what? Ab, that is x. Ab, that is x is to into x minus 4. Okay, that is what we are going to be having at the end. Okay, from here I want to notice that this x and this x will cancel out, and you are going to have 4. That will be 4 into what? We have x squared. Okay, we expand this to have what? X times x, that will be we have x minus 4. We must expand this because we have just to expand it. There is no method to solve this easily. That's x squared. Okay, minus 4x plus 16, and you're going to have what? Minus 8x plus 16 here. Okay, and this other level we are going to have what? That is okay, x squared minus 8x plus 16. We keep this x squared. Okay, we are going to have what? Plus x squared minus what? 4x. Okay, we have x squared minus 4x. Let's move on to have 4 into what? We combine the x1 to 3x squared. We have 8 minus this, that will be minus 12x. Okay, 8 minus this minus 12. We have 16. There is only one 16 here. Plus 16. We don't forget it's equals to 0. Okay, and you can divide all through by 4 to have the 4 going out. We are going to left with what? 3x squared minus 12x plus 16 is equals to 0. You can use a quadratic formula to solve for x here. Taking this as a, b, and c. And the formula is what? Let's do this here. Negative b, that is 12, plus minus b squared. 16, 12 squared is what? 144. Okay, negative minus 4 into what? What is a? 3 times what? 16. All over what? 2 into 3. Okay, we know that 4 times 3 times 16, let's just calculate it. That is it. 4, okay, 4 times 3 times 16. We're going to have now 192, that is 12, plus minus what? 14 minus 192, okay, 14. 144 minus this answer, we're going to have what? Negative 48. All over what? 2 times 3, that will be 6. Okay. Negative 48 can be equals to what? Divided by 9, I don't know. Okay, we have negative 48, we can have x is equals to what? 12 plus minus what? I whole 48 divided by 6. That will be equals to what? 6 divided by that, we are going to have 2 plus minus I whole 48 all over 2. 48 is equals to 48. Let's try simplifying this. 48 divided by 6, no, you not go by 8. Okay, by 8 will not still go. Means 48 will be just like this. 48 divided by 16, I think. Okay, 48 divided by 16 will go. Hence, we are going to have what? Let's just come back. To have 12 plus minus what? 5. 48 is equal to what? 16 times 3. Okay, we are going to have what? Root 3, root 16. And root 16 is equal to 4. All over 6. Using sets, we're going to be having that will be equal to 12 plus minus 4 I root 3 all over 6. That is the value of x. That is plus minus. And if you substitute this value here, you're going to have the final answer. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Don't forget to